Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get an Instagram access token for WordPress. First, open your browser and go to the Meta for Developers page. Click on Create App. On the next page, you can connect your business portfolio if you want, but for now, choose I don't want to connect a business portfolio yet and click on Next. Next, describe your use case for the app. Choose Other. On the app type page, select Consumer and then click on Next. Now, give your app a name and type in your contact email. Click on Create App. For security reasons, you must re-enter your password. After entering your password, click on Submit. It will take some time and your app will be created. Once your app is created, click on Settings on the left menu and choose Basic. Scroll down to the bottom and hit the Create Platform button. Choose Website and hit Next. Now, place the URL for your website in the Website field. Click on the Save Changes button. Navigate to the dashboard and set up Instagram Basic Display. Click on Create New App and after naming it, hit Create App. Scroll down and paste your URL in the Valid OAuth Redirect URL, Reauthorize, and Data Deletion Request fields. Click on Save Changes. Scroll down until you see User Token Generator and click on Add Instagram Testers. On this page, click on Add People and find the Instagram account that you want to create the token for. Next, go back to your Instagram account. Click on the Settings icon on the top right and open Apps and Websites Settings. You will see an invite in the Testers Invite section. Accept the invite. Now, go back to the User Token Generator and click on Generate Token. Log into your Instagram account and allow all the permissions. Now you have a token. First, make sure you have essential blocks installed and activated. Then, go to your WordPress website editor and create a new block for Instagram. Paste your token in the box and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.